Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I am going to make this bucket hat. Let's start making the pattern. For the top piece, draw a circle with 4 inches of radius. For the side, or we can say circumference, draw a rectangle of 12 by 3 inches. And for brim, draw an arch of 6 inches. Now draw a line of 3.5 inches, make another arch of 9 inches and then join both the arch with line of 3.5 inches. Now make the unfold symbol as shown here. So here the pattern making process is completed. And this is the fabric which I am going to use. It is a patchwork of different prints based on the black and grey color theme. And this is my lining fabric. We will need to cut one top piece from main fabric and one from lining fabric. For sides, we will cut 2 pieces from the main fabric and 2 from lining. And for brim also we will cut 2 from the main fabric and 2 from the lining. But we will need to fold the fabric on the unfold sign or trace it, as I will show you later in this video. Start tracing everything on main fabric as well as lining fabric. For brim, trace 3 sides of pattern and leave the side where the symbol of unfold is made. Now flip the paper like this and again trace those 3 sides. Repeat this process twice on main fabric and twice on lining fabric. After cutting all the traced pieces, we will end up having 5 pieces of main fabric and 5 lining pieces. For now, keep the top pieces on side and take the rectangular pieces. Now keep the right side of fabric together and sew it like this. Repeat the same process for brim pieces also. Keep their right sides together and add stitch on it. Once the stitch is done, take the top piece and start attaching it with rectangular piece using pearl pins. Also make sure that the right sides are together. After adding all the pearl pins, you need to sew around the area that we pinned. Now I am making small slanting cuts near the stitch. Take the brim piece that we stitched earlier and match the side seam of it with circumference piece. Right sides of the fabric are together and start attaching them using pearl pins. You need to repeat all this process for lining pieces also. Sew it around. Now we are going to attach the lining piece with main fabric. For that, keep the right sides of both the pieces together, match the side seams and pin it. Do it for another side also. Now stitch along the area that we pinned and remember to leave 3 inches of space. Bring the right sides of the hat out from the space that we left. Now close the opening with top stitch. You need to add top stitch throughout the edge of brim. Now I am adding other 4 lines, each at a distance of 0.25 inches. So here is the final result. Click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.